Biotechnology involves different kind of technical application in biological processes in microorganisms, plants and animals. It gives a lot of benefit in the field of science, technology, medicine, food and agriculture. Now when can a biotechnological product can get patented? Different kind of processes like analysis of medicinal products, genetic mutations, biological processes, DNA sequences, proteins and also components of human body can get patented. They can patent it only when they are novel in their nature, when they are useful to the society and have some industrial applications. Certain biotechnological inventions which are excluded from patentability under Section 3 of the Patent Act 1970 and its various amendments. Firstly, any product or invention which is against public order and morality and is harmful to animal, plants and human beings. Second, discovery of new living beings or non-living substances in nature. Thirdly, any process or any essential biological process which involves production and propagation of plants and animals. Fourth, any kind of invention and process of surgical, diagnostic and therapeutic methods which is to treat people from diseases or the product is made just to raise the economic value. Fifth, any method of agriculture and horticulture. And lastly, traditional knowledge. These are some of the things which are excluded from patentability. There are certain legislative policies and frameworks for the protection of biotechnological invention. First is Environment Protection Act of 1986. It talks about export, import and handling of biotechnological inventions and hazardous microorganisms and genetically mutilated organisms. Second is EXIM policy, which talks about setting up of biotechnological parks. Third is DNA safety guidelines, which are established by the Department of Biotechnology, and guidelines of transgenic plants and transgenic seeds of 1998. Then comes National Seed Policy of 2002, which talks about export and import of seeds, and also it says that biotechnological inventions are very essential for the agricultural development of the society. It came after Seeds Act of 1966. Then there is Drugs and Cosmetic Act of 1940, which talks about export and imports of drugs and cosmetics. After that came Drugs Policy of 2002, which talks about establishment and development of pharmaceutical industries and provide guidelines related to it. Then there is Biological Diversity Act 2005, which puts a great emphasis on biological diversity and its preservation. Lastly, there are guidelines related to stem cell research and therapy 2007, which talks about hazardous stem cell research therapy and its handling. There is constant debate going on surrounding patentability of biotechnological inventions. But on the other hand, the contribution of biotechnological inventions to economies and its groundbreaking discoveries and benefits to mankind cannot be ignored. But there are certain disadvantages related to it also. As the field of biotechnology is increasing, the time has come to balance out the legal and ethical issues related to it without tampering the possibilities of new innovations.